What is up, everyone? Welcome to my 40 days fitness challenge, day 5. Yesterday there's a fire. The weather, the atmosphere, environment is so bad yesterday, so I had a 1-day rest. Today I'm back. I only allow myself if I continually do 4 days, then I can have 1-day rest, okay? Is my voice, everything is good? Let me check. The day 4, the voice quality I checked is not good at all. So I wanna make sure this time will be better. Alright, I think that's it. If you guys want to leave a message, please let me know, and leave on YouTube section, not Facebook, not Twitch. I want you guys leave a message on YouTube so that I can see on the screen, okay guys? Hours. Today is hot again. At least 85 Celsius outside. Not Celsius, Fahrenheit. 85 Fahrenheit. Whew. Let's see from the Facebook. One more check. Alright. Ben musafir, sen musafir. Ben musafir, sen musafir. Today is hot, so I will slow down. Try to make sure I'm survive for 2 hours in this sunny day.
Tımtas geçe. Tügümez oy fikir ilkide xiyal dengizgi çöktüm. Meynetçilik tangsızlık kaplagan etrafımda hakikat oynuğum öktüm. Kulak tutan şoğuş, ağlanmaktı klasik müzika. Esretli kümüş üçün zaboy qaraq, bengi dava tamakka. Her kıtım düşenmektes, turmuşqı deyişini ögendim bopdula. Ötken keşkenni koy birvettim vaqt özünün ixtiyarıga. Qiyin günde illiqliq ata qılgan birovni eski kirgizme uçtum tut. Meydanga urup işengenlerim vaqti kelse diyelmeydi kel qolumni tut. Gülümseriş içide reallıqni uçurup azabni alımen eske. Xoşallıqla ara peyqirsam ol dil yaramni saqaytmaq teske. Hiçbir hararet illit almaydı vücudtiki bu soğuk duygu. Qarğını tar yerde qıstigandek tüm tarafdan qorşap keldi qaygı. Turmushdiki her bir uçuruşdan hemmisi putilgan qismet. Qanchisi xarliq, qanchisi tarliq, qanchisi arzon, qanchisi qimmat. Yillar etdi, ömür uzun emas, qadrla atrofingilani. Yo'qitib qo'ysam qaytib kelmaydi endi uchirtishga unatayim. Tutolmaydiganim vaqt, elib qolamaydiganim yillar. Ko'ngil zarari qilisholmay ko'milib ketdi qancha jiqdirlar. Hayot yig'lab kelib unsiz ketadigan jarayon. Terib bo'lolmaysa jibqi tizilgan marjon chechilsa riyon. Tügümez qaytılışlar bilen yürekmi ahırı çarçaydı. Etrafımda toşak artisa kutuptan kutupka herkes canmaydı. Mağmaktımen qulluqda, uxmayman menzlim qayan. Yerden sorap bansam gayip silkitaydı, çoğum özünge dayan. Şus micazimde özünge tapalmadım çare ama. Köp işlarda ketkizib etdim, veslik etkizalmay arzuyumdan armanini. Reallik şu. İlgiri men esermez bolgan. Yuturup koyup bulumni tamak yeyişim tas bolgan.
Mini, how do Mini? I don't know why your message didn't show up. Not showing up on I don't know why your message doesn't show up on the screen. I'll fix it later. Yeah, don't worry, your birthday is September 11th, right? Want a skin? I can give you magnesium, M4A1 magnesium. How about that? Hold on. Alia? I'll crack this door. Yeah, I fixed it, guys. Mini, message me. I just want to see, is your message gonna appear on the screen or not? Ooh, too hot, guys. Yeah, well, you said it's a magnesium, right? M41 magnesium, yeah. I got it. I got you. I can send you now if you want. After workout, I can send you now today. Ooh, my belly. See, it's getting smaller. Only 5 days. Yeah, guys, it's hot. Keep walking, keep walking. To be honest, it's kind of hard. When I get up, it's like have a headache. Oh, 2 hours, I need to work out. It's a hot sunshine. Yeah, but that's called challenge. Easy thing, not called challenge, right? Let me do ab workout. Hey! I don't know why it doesn't show up on the screen though. Pissing me off. Hey, we were astronaut. You have a good day too. Did you guys work out today? Mini, did you have a dance today? You said you dance every morning. We're astronaut. Where you live? Where do you live? Ah, so hot, guys. It's burning my neck. The sun is burning my neck. Oh, cover my neck. Wow. Whew. Is my voice okay, guys? Alright, I will do 30, no, 40 lower, higher ab. Higher ab crunch, 40 lower. This way then. Okay. Okay, cool. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, Okay, 40. Let me see, my wife said everything working good. Let me check. Nice.
Yeah. Yani kaldım taklamakan tanrının bok konusu. Asrın tarım uygurcuna kitapılmazsan homisi. Kaynamlardın ozuk elip çıktım tanrım oğlu bu. Şabanları taklamakan da yürü düşünden oğlu bu. Çin çaplaştı yavuz zerak çıktı nerge piçirla.
Yo bro.
Yolga çıktı yan başlara piçirla. Bahalaştı tonlu vatı ben kara özanın aktiga. Yukap kessem peyda bulu ben ölmüşsem ne yaptı da. Yüreklerde ornum bulsun akşam bulup.
Yo bro, Uyghur astronaut, you from China? You from East Turkestan? You from Xinjiang? I'm glad you're here, man. Thanks for inspiring me. Thanks for you inspiring me. Where's my YouTube? Oh, great. So you in Navy, Kohli. I got you, man. Stay safe, bro. I'm glad you're safe. Stay safe. So first set of my ab crunch I just did. Now is my punch. Dumbbell punch. Dumbbell punch for 15 for each hand. 15 for each hand and 15 fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Now it's stretch workout. Let's see. After 1 day rest. See, I can't touch again. Let me see the left side. Woo. Yeah, it's hard. Okay, okay. Yo, yeah, you're right. A lot of respect, man, a lot of respect. I mean, if you feel you're fighting, respect, keep fighting then. Keep fighting, this is your life. That's, I support you too. Yeah. I know what you mean, man.
Yazılmaz derdini yerdin Gelecek götürüp yakıdın asmak İlhamın basmak, sıranda yazmak Çekliğe rapçini zahım basmak Örmen şarabım yoklar gazaplik Sabrayım atçık ve bende kısmak Hazırla emez, bundun tat Bilip tingdin vaysini Süpersiz tursa tanıdın polisin Noçiye tigilip kaysini Kurup ölçem berde çasını Pıhtaymen süpersiz maysini Eğer dericilikler
I mean, I said stay safe because of the virus thing, you know? This Chinese virus stuff. Stay safe from that. Stay away from that. Great, I cannot wait to see you video, man. I wish I can see you one day too. I'm really curious. Stay safe so that we can keep fighting.
Koşun tat, onun kelsen mu? Gemine hoca akan recaz, yasaydı hammanı bir kollu.
For real, I cannot wait to see your video. Yeah, you're right. Please take more video to advise about the Uyghurs outside. We should be more brave, I know. Please advise us what we should do. You know what I'm saying? People here, Uyghurs here is not united, to be honest.
Sözün yok aldığınız gereksiz. Hem kulağıma koydum mu hem ben mi kaldım bu yer yüreksiz. Könlümden yoktu yamanlık belki bu könlümden hatalık Gerçi tüpemse her turu Çeliginim tanıdım amallık Bir dedi beni hakiki erkek Bir dedi azraq tek tek İçimde sıktı tordaki belki Ben de hemimiz bulaydı erkek Bir dedi beni ferik yetim Bir dedi
CCP will down very soon, inshallah. I know that.
Benim okşamaydı ben diyemem Sen diyesen Tanıştım yamandı yırtıdım ben Sen mobil ettin bu benim o hem Tanıştım sözümge kırmıdı tam hem Gecede başladı buldum bu yem Könlümü esnediydi o top Könlümde kılçılık yamanlık yok Bu ömür kişiye yaşı bulanmaydı Tükey buldular ellerim o Yalgan vicdanlık adamda kop Aldığımda fıçırsa çoğunu sok Sıtım al kırgınım süt çay Senin ağzında kırgınım izlik pop Dedi o acamın
İzlik pop.
Bakama buradaki babam o hem Soyattım acamlı soyattım senin o Böylese barındım ben yok hem Polu gök kılımen diyenle kırıdı Pul yok ben aşerim hiyalı sürdü Pulla kökteki yerden az aç parkurla Basu kabakla kürdü Bu dünyanı verdi na insafka Hemimiz başının içiderlikin O dünyanı verdi yaşlılarda Kanda terimiz cennet işçiye Uygansam onun şükür değmese her geh Mihnet kalmaptı bu güzel şehirde Yıkılıp düşsem hile gidek birisi yok yemek içmek Ama hemmesiz herke Kül çıkıp destek saldım topa Mihnet üçün ben kıldım dua Anamdan küçüğüde anlıgan hikaye hile hem hazırlık yadımda var Yaman desen seni külüp de koy Fakat içimde bilip de koy Yaxşılık kıl eğer kolumda kelse Yıkılgandım o gülüp mi koy
Yeah, yeah. Uyghur astronaut. I'm glad. That's great, man. Yes. To be honest, I have no fear for Chinese Communist Party now because, yes, when I was in China, I have fear. I don't want to get locked, sent into the concentration camp. But I grew up in Chinese school from I was kids. I don't scare anything, you know, it's like Chinese teachers, students, things. I don't grow up like that type of fear, to be honest. But for the CCP, they're just too evil. Too evil, you know, they're too nasty. Like, their strategies, their mindset, is just not the same level with us. Like, too evil. We don't think that evil, but that's how they take advantage from the world. Because no one thinks that evil, guys. Who will do the organ business? Black organ, dark market. How? They collect everyone's DNA. If there's someone need a organ transplant surgery, they'll just go to the database, Or it's like a lamb, you know, they just kill the people like a lamb on demand. They get the organ as on demand. If they need save a certain person, they will collect 10 people, match their DNA, and just cut their stomach, cut the organ, and couple people for the backup plan. If these 4 people doesn't work, they will keep cutting till it work. Damn. So that's totally different thing, level. So evil. Totally different. mindset. We grew up like Uyghur, we grew up real nice, beautiful culture and religion, right? Like how to share, how to give, how to take care of other people, how to take care of community, how to take care of poor people, how to take care of older people. But the CCP, the Chinese Communists, is totally different, opposite. That's why a lot of Uyghurs lost. That's why they believe they're tricked. Thank you, man. Thanks, man. You're awesome too, I mean. When I was in China, I also go Facebook, YouTube, even though it's not allowed. But I don't want to like isolate it with the world, you know? Like get all the fake information from communists, you know? That's bullshit, right? Like they force you believe you from the monkey, you from the Beijing monkey, Yuanmo monkey, you know? That's your ancestors, that's what they teach you. That's why I don't wanna listen to their bullshit. When I was in China, also like you, escape from the internet and learn, get more information from outside. I'm sweating so much right now. Whew. Yeah, that's why the Chinese communists scare Uyghurs, you know? One organization spend all their energy to spread fucking evil. How to beat up the people, how to get people drunk, how to bang in the hotel. That's what they teach. But Uyghurs, our culture is totally different. We are the first civilized Turkic nation in the world. That's why you can see from the Uyghurs' face how nice they are. You can feel their energy, how beautiful people they are. That's why Chinese communists scared and try to assimilate us entirely. Because we are totally different nation with a totally different mindset, with a totally different life goal. We try to be the good person and go to the heaven, but Chinese they don't. They only believe this life. That's why they have to enjoy as much as they can. They have to be powerful as much as they can in this life. Because they believe after that there's nothing. If you say Uyghur is most unlucky people in the world, yes, just because of your border with Chinese communists, with the Chinese Han people. If we live if our country is in Africa, or even in the South America, North America, Europe, it's not gonna be this end. Evil dragon is right next to us. They built the wall, they built the great wall for defend themselves from us when we were nomadic. Now they cross over the land, they cross over the wall, invaded our land, and took everything belonged to us, even our organs, our lives. That's pissing me off. Bullshit communists. Whew. Sweating so much. That's the Facebook. There's some people talking on Twitch. Hey guys on Twitch, I cannot follow all the platforms, so please just message me, leave your message on YouTube. Thank you, I would really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Uyghur astronaut. Okay, my second set of my app. Second set, damn. Woo. Yo, long. Oh, so hot. Woo. What the? Yes. Whew. Dört, beş, altı, yedi, sekiz, dokuz, on, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So close. Wow. Whew. Oh yeah. To be honest, that's why I try to get exhausted in this 2-hour exercise. You know, like you entirely get exhausted. You know, when you're done these 2 hours, it feels so easy and so nice. Everything's so chill, so good, you know. Otherwise, and then I would stop looking at Facebook, looking at the news till the night. Otherwise, all those sad news, bad news, what happening to Uyghurs, make me really sad, make me really pissed off. My all energy turned like it's so pissed off, like, you know, it's like mad like that. So I work out 2 hours and relax, take a shower and drink something I want, you know, ayran or juice, and to relax till I sleep. Before I sleep, I'll just check, update what's happening. Yeah, that's how I clean my mind, fresh my mind. Küçüğüm, küçüğüm, küçüğüm. Küçüğüm çeçeraydı işin gadı. Küçüğüm, küçüğüm, küçüğüm. Küçüğüm de pese isildi sakal ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15 shoulder fly. Shoulder fly. Shoulder fly. Shoulder fly. Woo. Yo, look. Küçüğüm. Edepesem güveç görüp beni çıkarırken benim başım bağlam böyle. Ah, okay, stretch workout. Just these two. Whew. Too tired.
Yazgının kelepede yorguma Kalemge ilhamını zorlapasan toğruma Cansız kafiyeler ahandasızlıkta urguma Animkeş kafiyeler tekrarsan katması oğruma Vayneri turguna Kebede pekana hatta kinada turgasi Kebede pekana hatta kılınga kalem oğluğa ilham kızın keller yatıp olgusu. Senin uçtalak nikahın taleysiz bu gapның doğrusu. Bekarda ilham yazıdı ildan kötürgen erkek sudak oyna aşıp bakıda dolkuluk çarçıra. Sen buğa ilham emastur inam destek ilham küçük yazılmay ketken bu yıldan acırap. Şırtır şırtır sür ilham el tutuzuk uyan real üstü bir ezük. Başka rapçi bu tızıktın özü. Bekarның ızdası sokulgan koram kaçta. Azadın adat kılani ilham tügürüp kılımın naşta. Это за что так ложки Beney durup kılma hata perez Это за что так ложки Это за что hoca akam recez Это за что так ложки Beney durup kılma hata perez Это за что так ложки Eğiz aşkan hoca recez Kemine recez buldu tekske Beni kandak ekşni Kalemde kandak çekşni Kapyasızlıkta buldu senden çıkışni Kalem tohmakta bayan bilemle ekşni Yazılmaz niyetler çekek ekşni İşaretli gelini ekşni Adayğanға tükürmekti məğaz yakşni Kalemle oynatıp ilhamni bekşni İskıldan kalemde nakşni Yürekke aram bekşni
I'm only down 1 hour. I've done half of the workout today.
Yazılmazda şutak beşni yegülük Şerap
Not bad.
Yaxşı ilham bərgülük Kərək bulur səndə yazı gülük Çatqal tərgülük Ezi versə tekst baxıl mənə tərgülük Mən o uyğur rapның beşiği kərgülük Muxşümətin tek şıqıdı ölgülük Müstanəcəz ölgülük Sən misal yatıq ilhamında bayan külgülük
Yeah. Let me tell you what I feel about the talent of Uyghurs. We have all great talent. Music talent, science, we are smart, we have good body physically, we're good at boxing, whatever, you know. But why we don't have our country? What's wrong with us, right? We definitely made some mistake. We have something wrong. But we can be the best dancer in the world, best rapper in the world. I trust that. But why we don't have our own country? Why we cannot get united and get to our own country? Or why we cannot figure out how to own or how to get our country back? What's wrong with us? What do you think? We have all talent. We have all different talent. We're just not good at own our land back, get our land back. What's a part of us? Something wrong. What I believe is every single Uyghur, it's time to stand up, say that land is mine, not yours Chinese, not yours Hui, not yours Kazakh, not yours Kyrgyz. I'm talking about ours. So if it's yours, you have to say that's mine and take it back. That's what we have to do, and that's what we have to focus. that's what I believe too. That's what I believe too. That's why I welcome to be friends with every Uyghurs, every single Uyghurs. I will open my arm. If they stand in front of me, try to stop me, then I will talk differently. But I welcome everyone. But someone try to block me or try to stab me from my back, then I believe it's their time to end too, in the future. Yes, our young generation, we have to unite it. Definitely. Yeah. I wish you're doing fine. You're doing everything good in mainland China, though. Is your relatives, your parents, everything is fine? Now I'm only able to contact with my sister and with my mom. My father don't talk to me because of I have beard, like this little beard. They're scared. They're scared I cause trouble to them because of this little beard. That's why I don't shave it, even if it's ugly, even if it's just a little. The Chinese don't want me to do it, I will do it, you know? Oh, damn. Yep, you're definitely right, man. You're right. You're right. I respect that. That's how I came here too. I give up everything. I try to be another myself or back to my life. I try to find my life. That's why even after I finish, I graduate after 2 years and I start my master's just for get a skill to restart my life. Yeah, you cannot care too much. If you care your parents, you cannot care about your land, you know what I'm saying? All your goal should be clear and should be able to you visualize it, to imaginable. If you take care of your girl, your mom, your dad, China take advantage of that. You're right, man. You're a real man. I like it. Another Uyghur man should be there. That's good. That's good. That's good. CCP's time is almost over. That's why I just want to stay healthy till that time, you know. If you watch my first video of this, like day one, I said why I started my challenge. Because I want to go back with a healthy body, you know. hot. Yeah, I agree what you're saying, yeah. That's why I try to learn skill. I learned the skill. In China it is. When I was in China, they taught about fucking Marxism. Like we're Muslims, they teach us we're from the animal, you know, so we're from the monkey. We're revolution. This revolution stuff from the monkey to be human. What the heck, you know, that type of bullshit. And they teach you how to serve the Communist Party. So, I know the college in China is bullshit. There's only certain level, certain portion of people, they will test, they will see, check you first. If you want to willing to be a communist member, then they will give you higher education. Otherwise, you don't need a higher education. You need to be slave. Too hot. Ah. Wow, this sun is burning me. Whew. Only 1 hour down.
Xıyalim qarayı Əmədim gözüm əma dursun Köp atar gecə Gözüm roşat dursun Geçip ötüp durmadan gecə Bu gecə özledim gider Gönlümden hiç arami yok Külkeme atıldım vardiyde Külkeden yarami yok
Fuck. Sigma.
Same bars, same stars, same niggas in the same yards Motherfuckers want the same fun, but Same bars, same stars, same niggas in the same yards Motherfuckers want the same fun
Ah. 2 hours under sun. What the fuck? Whew. I'll get some water. Whew, guys. No, my wife is not Uyghur. My wife is American, European American, but she have like a really small portion of Magyar Türk blood. Magyar. Her quarter blood is Magyar Türk. That's what she's really proud of. But she's converted Muslim. When I met her, she already converted for 6 years. Yeah, she grew up in Christian family, but she converted when she was 25, she said, 25, 26. And when I met her, she wanted like, she was looking for some Muslim Turkish guy. And I said, I'm Uyghur. She said, oh, you are the original Turk. So here I am, and then we just we come together in, we basically come together in 40 days. Now we have daughter. She know Uyghurs history more than a lot of Uyghurs. She believe Hungarian, like Magyar Hungarian. The root is back to current Uyghur area, you know. That's why they believe we are same root. And Uyghur is the oldest one. That's what we believe it. She support me to speak up for Uyghurs. to support. That's why. Okay, the water already. Wow, 2 hours? I'm in North California. 5678, I think your name is 5678. For 2 hours, that's good. I'm super hot right now. I can't breathe, to be honest. You did a good job. If you jog for 2 hours, that's nice. And this area is like a lot of fire these days. The air quality today is the best compared to the last couple of days, and we can even smell the smoke, you know. So just wanna stay here. But you did a good job if you did 2 hours. That's nice. I'm super exhausted already. So I will do my shoulder punch. Whew. Guys. Oh, she make langman though. She make langman polo, sirkash, samsa, manta, danshir. She make, but she not that good on langman honestly. But she really good on. She really good on. She's not that good because langman is really hard to make. Let me. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Yeah, we learn together basically. Let me finish this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Honestly, I don't eat that much of langman anymore. Langman is, since it's too delicious for me, I like langman so much, so I can't eat a small portion, you know. if it's something too good, like if I eat something too good, I can't stop myself. Eat one more big plate, right? Like second plate. So it's better she don't cook lang, man. Just some healthy meal, you know, it's like workout fitness, like boil the steam the rice and steam the vegetables, stuff like that. As long as I'm not gaining weight, I am so easily to gain weight. Like I inherited my parents, so I need to be careful. Oh, so 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, go. Where do you live? I'm glad you can running outside. Whew. Ah, guys. 5, 6, 7, go. Height, something like that. I know. I saw from my wife do it in the. She look at the TV. Height, something like that. Atush, I see Atush from here. Wow. So you're from Kyrgyzstan? Kyrgyz, you in Kyrgyzstan, huh? Is that right? Wow, you guys in nice place. There's a lot of Uyghurs. Weten. Oh, so I mean, I saw you in the. I thought you can see the Weten from where you live. So I thought you're from the Kyrgyzstan area. You can see cross from the border to Weten, to Atush. Is that true? So where do you live? 1, 5, 6, 7, go. Whew.
Geçirdim yok ey, sos getirmişim uzaktım böceğe şumbuya. Vay güldüm yok ey, ben kuş enes piralık derdim dokunguya. Vay gumanım yok ey,
Guys.
yarışım gunguya. Vay göz canıdım yaş yok ey, çünkü işim içimde atar ki hunguya. Of, bir arem rensiz hayat okşallık cilvene haldeydo. Amına okşallık koynunu giyerim senin o menimi keldeydo. Mayım ve cidam ve beldeydo, teselli söz köp yalgan.
I don't know. There's one YouTube playlist. I just play it. I will put the description. Hold on a second. But this rapper's voice I hear a lot. So he's pretty famous. Cumhur'a hep koydu. Sibiriyada soğuk kırıp hava tutuldu ya dedim ha. Sibiriyada soğuk kırıp sadam tutuldu ya. Hold on a second. So yeah, I cannot do it. Hold on a second. Okay, I put. This is a playlist. This is all new. I have a lot of older rap too, but those are pretty new. A lot of them I haven't heard about. So.
Sayık yanında tozup ketdi güldek bakar paslim Çıkarmadım aslan Xıraleşti gözüm acizledi nefsim Xeyli küçük ettim seni unutuşqa Yönelmedi yürek yani yürümüşqa Dayım deydim ben özlem
Let's do some stretch.
Çoxtap kalsam cayımızda görmüşmüşqa Sırrı pişti yaşlı
5, 6, 7, go!
Sağını dizsem rastın ötküm yok
5, 6, 7, go!
Kesameyli kelmedeydik bırak ıstışıp Yaxşı işte parvasız naçarlıkta besleşip Geçirgen Kılamadım hatırcam Mihirimden göremedim öykünüm
I can go way lower than the first couple days. See, I can touch my foot. I can touch my foot at least. I can hold it, not just touch it. See, my right side is not that good as my left. So you are. I like you guys exercise. We should inspire each other, you know. Oh, left side is good. Left side I can go lower and not hurt that much, but right side is pretty weird. I can't go low. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yo, Uyghur astronaut, and 5, 6, 7, go. One question. East Turkestan or Uyghurstan? Which one is supposed to be our future country's name? I know a lot of people pissed off if they heard about this question. They're scared because they're scared. A lot of reason. Oh, my back.
Yaşadım tek tek balıydım dostluğunu keynidi kırdım içişine çekişini vuruşunu yürgenden çombaldım eskildi kapteni çıkıp doğarak beni tamak edip dadana bölgünlük aldım işendim uğursam dünyanı özgertemeden Oyla burun yaşadım tek balıydım yaşar yakacağım musafir buldum kaç gece yatkanla 5-13 gülüp şıklap doldum Oyla burun yaşadım tek balıydım yak bir muhabbet edip
Uygurian. You like Uygurian? Yeah. As long as it's not from Uyghurs. Remind me when I was in Watan, like swimming in the river. It's cool, it's so good. Yeah, I will work on it. I will work on the music you said. 5, 6, 7, go! Thanks for you guys stay here with me. Uyghur astronaut. And 5, 6, 7, go! 5, 6, 7, go! Oh yeah. Whew. Yes, I like Uyghur ili too. Uyghur ili is beautiful. Very nice, very soft. Uyghur ili de güzel keser. Uyghur ili de. Yeah. As long as it's time for us to stand up, to say that is mine, you know. It's Turkestan, it's Turkestan. Oh shit. Fucked up mind. No, why do you think we have to have a female? If female has more, any female has a real, like power, I mean real, like it can be elected. Yeah. Like a democratic, you know. Whoever has a, I think in the history the Uyghurs has a female president or king too. Jallat Khanım, that lady was a king. Uyghur ili is really beautiful. Yes, we know. Uyghur dance. Uyghur ili. I'm so slow now because I'm tired and I don't know, I just get old or I'm get fat or what. It's like still need to lost my weight first. So welcome every day then, guys. If you guys come every day, make sure I'll be here every day. There's a lot of Kazakh, Kyrgyz people believe Tangri. Islam is correct, but it's hard for you to make an argument with those fucking majority Muslims. Yeah, you can see the Islam word, so it means you're wrong. That's not Islam, that's not a Muslim should be. Islam is correct, but the Muslim is not doing Islam way. So Tangri is also God. Is also God. Just before that religions came before Islam. There's nothing wrong to believe Tangri as well, what I believe. Yes. I'm gonna talk. I have some Kazakh friend also said, I believe Tangri. I'm not Muslim, blah blah. I said, yeah, that's your opinion. I respect that. Like, I'm not like other people. Like, if there's some opinion different like you, they would turn the color of their face, you know. The fuck, everyone has their own mind, right? You have to respect others, then others respect yours. And we come here not for judge anyone. We come here for finish our life challenge and go back, right? That's what I believe. So do not fucking focus on what other people behave or do. Just be yourself first. Think how you can pass your life challenge first, and then teach some other people if you can. Time to talk, yeah. I mean, fuck, today I'm too tired. Sweating. This all sunshine. I think I have 20 more minutes left. Oh, city. No, I'm not being that. I'm not being that. I don't know where she's from. To be honest, I don't even know. She was a girl before, yeah. I don't know she's Kazakh, Kyrgyz, but she said she can see the Atush from the border. So I believe she's Uyghur from Kyrgyzstan or something like that. I don't know. No, I said, just to give you examples, like that girl remind me one of my Kazakh friend I met on Facebook. He was complaining about the Islamic war too, and then he said, I believe Tangri, blah blah, look at the Islamic war. That's not supposed to be. Something wrong. I said, yeah, people understanding, they have their own way to understand, you know. What I believe is, to understand Islam, you need to have knowledge. That's why in Quran, Allah mentioned many times, said, if you have more knowledge, you will understand another meaning of this sentence. Every sentence, there's a lot of sentence mentioned. It's so hard to understand. And the next sentence was, if you have knowledge, if you have enough knowledge, you will understand the deeper meaning of this word, like that. You know, it means Allah is encouraging you to get more educated. So look at our Islamic world. We don't have knowledge, so we understand Islam is totally wrong way, right? But there's nothing wrong with Tangri too. Tangri, I don't understand that much, but Tangri means God, right? You believe God, what's wrong with that? Yeah, God's spirit is same with Allah's 99 name. Allah's spirit is 99 name, in his 99 name, right? So, there's nothing conflict between Tangri and Islam, I believe. Sweat a lot. Today is the best talk with any other days, guys. Thank you, man. And I wish you can escape from there further step, you know.
Kandamda cehennem yok diye tapşırıklarını işleydim. Öldü yalnız dostum aşsıqa tıxnanı işleydim. Apam iştin yenip gelsin buraya geldim demeydim. Öldücem bolsun kaçsakmı işçimdi könettim. Dadam deydi oğlum erkek kim boz
Kadir buludu. We all like grow up our kids. Yaxşı. Yaxşı oqsan. Xizmat, yaxshi xizmat ishlaydi, topsa. Kadir buludu. Sweating cold. This time is oh yeah. Yo bro, if you need to sleep, just go ahead, man. Thanks for stay tuned. I know there's midnight right now. Yeah, it's midnight over there. And I'm almost done, man. Thanks for stay tuned with me. And have a sleep early, bro. And I wish you can sleep early, get up early too. Just stay healthy. For me, last 2 years, no, next 2 years, just survive, not die. You look at the world is getting crazy. If we can survive, that's what we should appreciate, you know. A lot of people dying every single day because of fucking evil China. So Stay healthy. Have a good sleep. It's very important for future 2 years. Then we have a lot of things to do. Inshallah. Whew. You won't sleep?
Әлемге апырай қайтыра алсам қарзыны Дақ бойлайман қылыш кітіршімен Құдайым бәрсін өміріне Шындақ мен кішік емес, апамбай емес, қысық емес Көзім қызларынан барген бағыр Анамнан бағырдай қысық емес Яқ йортта ем полу Анамнан өңеден ислемес Өкініш мені ұваты дол Үйрек санжылғыны бегіземес Там сүзілді бұл шәһәрді Үземнің шәһәрі ұйқыда Езіп болдым бұл екісіне Ажайып бір тұрғыда Аңлап болдым башына
Alright, bro. Then I'll finish my last ab crunch, and then I think I'm done too, but I'm too thirsty. The water cannot even satisfy me right now. Whew. Yeah, thanks for staying tuned, man. At least someone is watching me, so I work harder, you know. Yeah, skiriş. Çek ya Allah.
It's bro. Represents the Shenron. You know what I'm saying? Check the sound. Hey. Hey.
Sordu kalemdir dedi başkası yok mu da elemdin Müştahak bes ezeldim dedim konu sanım gidersen koş Bir iş kırkıldım hata demedim ben iş kılış eğitilmedim Günü götür kıtım yalvarıp köp kıtım işler caydı tüken hoş Çehnesi de arkada bırak göremezdik de birinci biz Şişen çıkanma diyetten yeri Gımamı da yarı ikinciden Dört gönlük dünya doğru Beşte Allah kötemecilik Altı şehadi köptür şevi Aramız köptü hayrımcılık
Deniz asırıp asıp ketip bağan Adem men nurgunu körgeçke bilgeçke Kulumga kalemni algan men Toğra hemmini bilmen demidim Bilgellerim mıras çeklik Yalgan yalvar ras menin kalemim hakkı eden şeylik Nuce erkek kaldı bezde Künügü bölgünü bızgınıga Aşık udarga köptürün nezmine Özgeri işini külüp hoş Aziz kessen balları yığlap verin o hakka Emniyette eminsiz işiden Burasını oylap yürüydü hoş toğra Soğu digerinin soğudu sırona Kolla girdim perkim yok Peyre aciz küçük çoğunun aç dokları meni çatkım yok İnsap dürüskü taynım yok meni insap dili yene çatkım yok Ezen alsam kınmez sassam pul tapsam lan bolu men hoş Yayın bu olsa aldan tebinin dostum sözün rast kep yok Yeni tunuştuk sırrını uçtum uğrısım keynimle sen hak yok Men bir yolu çıkalvan üstünü körgünümle sözdeyme Nasım alem keminin atraf doğru yolunu biz gideyme
Wow, so hot.
Şallıktın kız gideyme Meynet iştin ne yolustun turus yoldun tapsen kuş Kılına özümüzge düşmen özünü yanmak beklesmiş Hem de arsıda kalmay digin teşvişlerge hayır hoş
Özlügen o da bizler gamsiz temsiz durmuş güller Rensiz çeksiz ilham sökmen şersiz Xedris kepken aldığını toz Erlik horur tılanda erkin vakti kes Reis temkin ağinanın oldu men tüm şimdi gülüp ettim Tapkınını tamgı çaplap tanrının Yatkı batnap yürem şundak tilimsiz katrap Tügmez saati kol biz hoş Bal terbiyesi yoktur oyla Biz çok kuramsız kızının toyga Kızım yılcık kaytışının koydu bayga toyla Bitken hoş Tıldeş nağı teşnadılla Hoşal gülüdü yarsıtılla Hoş emmetçilik gözünün yoludu bir gün gamsiz ötken hoş Kök hoş dedim kök hoş edin saplı boş dedim Sevir toş dedim datki toş dedi rapti boş dedim Yazıman etimen görmen hoş Kök hoş dedim kök hoş edin saplı boş dedim Sevir toş dedim datki toş dedi rapti boş dedim Yazıman etimen bilsen hoş Yazıman etimen
Four set down of my ab crunch, 4 set of this, and I'm almost done, man. I can't wait to take a shower and drink my drinking in the fridge. Probably is a watermelon smoothie. Ya Allah! Şöyle bagging a little Allah! Ya Allah! This is so funny. Ja, dat is wel graag kunnen niet spot dat je chiche over dus. Ja, maar ik op. Aan chat ga. Zijn shit gestaan met de mode op het ketta. Back miles. So funny. Uygurca İngilizce arlaş kehket. Sen Arap sabah. All right. Whew. Ya Allah. Yo man, give me a like button guys. Don't forget, give me a like button. I'm so sad there's only 1 like button. Give me more. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom boom boom. Please guys, like button, share. I need to get 2 more subscribers. Not 2 more, 2,000 more subscribers. And a lot of like button. Okay, 30. 7.
Ülkelerde saklarım vatan buludun önde. Ulaşın esenlerde kaldım sürtülüş yolda. Sana ben çıkıyorum çıkam şekerin siyah gölge. Sen sokulsan gözleştiriyor kurup gözünü gölge. Uygar hep çıkıyor çok soğudu özür kesira. Sünger yüzü kapkaranlık tekeciye mahşira. Yarışı okşaş bir yaşar yakalanlarım yok okşaş yani. Anlandı da arımın zari coşkularının duymadı kani. Tarıktan da bir sılgan dek hainler ve esılgan dek aşk kaldı ve esılgan dek foton kızları.
To be honest, I only have a 1,320 or 30, 103,000. No, 1,300 subscribers. I'm glad only 5 days. The first day I think I can only do like this big, and then I can't even touch the ground. I can't even touch the ground. Now I can pull this much, and I can touch the ground. This is, the flexibility is very important for me too. Yeah, it takes time, man. It takes time, and as a topic, a politics topic, I think it's harder. That's why I've kind of moved to the fitness stuff. Let's see, I can attract more people or not. But this is also what I want, you know. Uyghur man is just a man. I'm a Uyghur man. I don't have to be like all day, China did this to us, China did this to us, you know. Uyghur man is me, it's my life, so I post the fitness. If I play game, I'll keep sharing, whatever. I'll see, man. It takes time. If I keep going like this 1 or 2 years, I can't have a decent amount of subscribers, I believe. Super hot today. 7 minutes left. After these 2 hours, I will sit a lot, so The flexibility, my spine workout is all important for me. So, Uyghur astronaut, are you married or not? Or are you too young for the marriage? What do you do for the life? Do you do business, a student, or what? For a minute. Okay, one more song. One more song. Let's finish one more song. Yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Peshqadamli ko'p, undan o'tasiz Yoparmaklı sargaymaylı ötüp gerçi köz Çalışsam mı çokum çıradaydı çırak mangay tüz Az katmıgan adamlardan çapsan alakanı öz Şehir dep koyayım hayatımı külüp durup tüm kıtım Tödelesi açık külge tıktı gedi kül gibim Darak tiktim mevbadi şulanmadım boyum yakma iron gibi shit Bu senin tötkim bu galit tuyguga Şanmayma söygüge candan az külge
I'm down, guys.
Bir bakadep mediligen çın muhabbet nere basın muhabbetin turar yer pul maşini öydüken Balkim bazıda balkim bazıda
Alright guys, I'm done. Whoa, what's wrong with my flag? No, this flag should be here. Should be here, okay. It's kind of windy today, so I will take care of my flag. Get a little dirty. I'll wash it off. Whew. Allah. Thanks guys for stay tuned. Thank you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, click the like button. Like.